What's up guys, Liam here back in. Today we're gonna be playing Flood Escape. Yeah, Flood Escape. It's just a game, you know, you just gotta get used to the game. Because that is how it is supposed to be, you know. Although this game can be difficult at times because that is how the game really is. It's really taking a long time to load, isn't it? Give me 1 second while I fix this so that I can fix this right now. Okay, so everything has been loaded, so now let's start. Anyway, so everything is gonna be alright because right now I'm just gonna start the game right now.
Hi guys!
Oh no. Nah.
I'm not gonna.
Well, he's gonna appear in every video. Fine. That's fine with me. Alright, media mode is about to start, so I'm just gonna go and do it right now because I'm too hyped. Come on, bro, let's go.
I'm coming!
Just run. There's 3 seconds left. Run as fast as you can. Oh man.
What?
Oh, there you are.
What?
Get joined. Just wait, as I'm doing everything. Copyright music. Okay, now we can do things.
I'm in the game.
Weird. How come you're in the game? I better get to the thing because I need to really.
You see
Okay.
me inside.
Yes. Come on. We're gonna go. What the hell is going on? Hey!
What?
Hey! What is going on? What's going on? I can't move. Huh? I can't even move. Let me out. Weird. Yay. Am I under the map?
I'm dead.
Dude, I'm under the map.
Reset.
You know what? Let me try. Whoa!
That happened to me, Guanele.
That is an incredible glitch. I never seen it in my entire life. Actually, no, let me reset my character. What a weird glitch. Okay, fine. Okay, let's wait for the others.
Reset me. I can't get
No, don't reset, dude! Just leave button.
I tried, but it didn't work.
Fine. Okay, let me just do this.
Peace, bro. You playing with other people, I play with other people.
Challenge accepted anyway. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, let me wait for the others and... Come on, Bacon Dude. You can do this.
Finally, this Flood 2. Flood Escape 2.
Yeah, the sequel. Well, I'm never playing the sequel again because you remember what happened last time.
What happened?
It's very hard.
Hard.
Don't ever play the game. I'm never playing that game again because you know what bad things happen there.
Man, open that door, man!
Okay, fine. Since my mother's... I better get out of here. Okay, so let's just...
Flood.
Yeah. Right. Better get out of here. Okay, now that is done. Let's go to this one. Open here. Oh, that leads to the top. Okay. Understandable now. I think the glass is gonna break. Anyway. Jump. Jump. Now we just going to jump. Jump.
A few moments later.
I'm not frozen. What? You died?
Yes.
Why?
I thought this was gonna be a happy game, but not like this. Anyway, let's just continue this for a bit because come on. I'm here. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. No. Well, catch me in the flip side anyway. Okay, now we just need to jump. As I was saying, let's do a little jump. Jump. Yes, we go here. I think I went the wrong way. I think I am supposed to go this way. Oh no, people are oofing already because that is something you never know in something. Anyway, let's get in here. Support. This is the map I know, and it's hard. Because this is how it made me rage in the first place. And there's gonna be a fight soon, and I better get out of here. Let's go here. Probably jump.
Shing. Shing.
No. Another one is another one in the history book. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, now let's be focused, which is why people are not being frozen.
I'm stealing the game, Wanted.
Okay, touch this button. Now, I need to get going right now, and I do not want to... No, I don't need theme codes. Well, I'll catch you on the flip side, because last year was horrible for me. So, I'm not gonna repeat these things.
I'm gonna be out of this game real quick.
Actually stay, because this is how we live. I just want to get at least one win.
This game is dodgy. High quality. This is a
We back at the same damn map again.
What the heck?
Okay, there's the ladder. Now, jump like this. Jump. Now, we jump over here again. And then jump! Okay. Then we get into this little thing. Okay, we got it. Now, we just go here. Unknown order. Okay, I activated that button, which is something you need to know. Okay, they open like this, which is easy. Now we just need to go like this, jump. Now we have to go this way, which is something because I do not want to get mad. Yeah, this is where it's supposed to go. Jump, yeah, here. There we go. Now the third floor, this is it. I know this map and it's not new. This is an old map. Jump. Now, I just want somebody to do the job. Okay, press this button. It should go that way. Okay, go and press that button. Okay, it should be opening, and I better get out of here before it floods. Because... Ah!
Glad I